You know those days where you can barely peel yourself off the couch, let alone get pumped for a serious workout? When just thinking about exercise makes you want to crawl back under the covers. I have so been there. Yep, even as a longtime doctor and veteran fitness competitor, I still have moments when I struggle to find the motivation to get moving. So in this non-judgment zone, we're going to talk real about what to do when you know you should work out, but you just can't even. Has that fire in your belly fizzled out? Time to rekindle it. I've got some awesome tips to get your mojo back. But first, a quick heads up. The information I'm providing here is for your entertainment and education, and it is not meant to be a substitute for professional medical advice, nor is it meant to be a substitute for a consultation with a healthcare professional. And now, on with the show. Let's kick things off with a little step back in time. I'm cruising through a health conference on my way to the next seminar on my schedule. I need to go up one floor, and I'm facing a choice. Left side, a staircase heading up. Right side, an escalator heading up. And at this point, I decided to step back into the fitness competitor scene after taking a few years off. So that meant it was time for me to get serious about staying active, training hard again, and shedding some excess pounds. Given those goals, did I take the stairs or the escalator at that moment? The escalator. I took the easy way up. Not exactly the behavior you'd expect from someone trying to get back into competition shape. Yeah, we all have our unmotivated moments. So for times when you just can't summon the energy or drive to work out, even though you want to get fit, here are some tips to get you back on track. Tip number 1, start small. If you can only carve out 10 minutes to move your body, then do it. Something is better than nothing. 10 minutes gets your blood pumping more than 0 minutes. Don't overwhelm yourself trying to commit to intense hour-long workouts when you're lacking motivation. Take it easy and just focus on a short activity burst. Walk, do some quick body weight moves, jam to your favorite song, anything to get you off that couch for a few minutes. Build up from there as your momentum increases. If that's what you can manage, it's okay to be gentle with yourself and take the small wins. Tip number 2, hydration station. Let's talk about the power of H2O. When you're dehydrated, it can drain your energy and leave you dragging. So, I recommend to keep sipping on that water to stay fueled for your workouts. Carry a reusable bottle wherever you go. Not a plain water fan? Hey, I feel you. Jazz it up and make it tasty by adding some fruit slices or fresh herbs. Experiment with different infused water recipes until you find some flavors that make you want to guzzle it down. Proper hydration is key for fighting fatigue and powering through those workouts. So drink up and quench that thirst. Tip number 3, fuel your body. You gotta feed your body the good stuff if you want the energy to crush those workouts. I'm talking lean proteins like chicken, fish, egg whites, and plant-based options like tofu and lentils. They provide the fuel for your muscles. Complex carbs like quinoa, brown rice, and butternut squash give you long-lasting energy. And a rainbow of fresh fruits and veggies nourish you with vitamins and antioxidants. Go ahead and meal prep some healthy recipes on your day off so you've got nourishing options ready to grab and go. Remember, avoid the processed stuff if you want to feel like a star. Real food over junk food. Tip number 4, pump up jams. Want to instantly get pumped for your workout? Music is your best friend. Create some high-energy playlists filled with songs that ignite joy inside you, the kind that makes you want to dance or even sing out loud. Let those upbeat tempos and empowering lyrics help tune out any negative thoughts. So cue up your favorite workout mix and let the music inspire movement. A song that really got me going? The theme from Rocky, of course. Oh, and here's a pro tip. Save those slower, chill tracks for your cool down. You got this. Tip number 5, get a workout buddy. We all need a little motivational boost sometimes. So surround yourself with some positive people who will uplift you on the path towards your fitness goals. Workout buddies make sweating more fun. You can challenge each other to do that last rep or run that extra mile. And online groups provide awesome camaraderie, offering advice and keeping you accountable with friendly check-ins. We are social creatures, so having a crew to share the journey simply makes it feel more doable. It can also introduce a fun element of friendly competition. So, find your fitness fam and get ready to crush those goals together. Tip number 6, visualize your success. Here's the deal on visualization. Take a few minutes daily to picture yourself achieving those fitness goals. See yourself active, crushing workouts, looking and feeling amazing. Visualizing your success can provide inspiration when motivation is low. By imagining yourself focused and unstoppable, you imprint those images and make your dreams feel possible, more real. Our minds are powerful manifesting tools. So take time to visualize yourself winning. Let those images boost your drive to put in the work. Tip number 7, visual cues. Plaster those walls with positive reminders. Sticky notes, vision boards, inspirational quotes, photos of you looking fit, whatever you can find. Surround yourself with visual motivation cues. Put them on your bathroom mirror, inside the pantry, on the fridge, wherever you will see them daily. When your determination starts to waver, take a glance at those uplifting messages and images. Let them refocus your mindset and keep your eyes on the fitness prize. Little reminders can make a big impact. Tip number 8, celebrate your wins. Give yourself a round of applause every time you nail a new milestone. Yeah, actually do it. After sticking to your routine for a full week, plan something special to celebrate your dedication. Reward yourself with something fun, like a relaxing spa day or a new pair of cute sneakers. Whatever will motivate you to keep hitting those goals. But a chocolate lava cake, probably not the best reward to choose in this case. However, those other treats, the ones you give yourself for your hard work, can keep you feeling pumped up. So pat yourself on the back and keep that momentum engine running. So those are the 8 tips. But here's the big picture message I want to be sure that you take from all of this. Be compassionate with yourself on those unmotivated days. We all have them. But remember, if getting fit is truly your goal, don't just brush it off. Figure out what's blocking you, like lack of time or inadequate planning, and then take steps to start removing those obstacles. As for me, I was pretty sure what was causing my workout motivation to fizzle, and I came up with a somewhat unusual strategy to address it. But That's a whole other story on its own. So, more on that next time. Stay tuned. That is it for this episode of Dr. Venus On Call. I hope these tips help reignite your workout motivation when it starts running low. Drop a comment and share what pumps you up to exercise when you're lacking energy or feeling unmotivated. I want to hear your secrets. I'm Dr. Venus. Stay fit, be happy.